Hello, welcome back to AWS DevOps Locust Tech YouTube channel. So in this video, just we have completed entire AWS Practitioner Essentials. So this is an exam. So I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to write it down. So before that, I just got an idea. At least, however, I'm writing exam and I'm just going with it. Let us post this in our channel. So that's the reason I started recording. So I have already completed 7 questions, but I just want to move from here. It's okay, but let us try to read this question. So which service builds the workloads are required for human review of machine learning predictions? So this is what our question. So answer would be, so I'm going with the, so machine learning related actually thing is related to artificial intelligence. Okay, so I'm going with it. Okay, if anything goes wrong, just let me know, right? Or you can comment here. Okay, so I'm going to submit this. Let's see what the result is. Yeah, it is correct. And the next question is, so which perspective of AWS cloud adoption framework focuses on recovering IT workload to meet requirement of business stakeholders. So this is actually the answer is operations perspective. So operations, what operation perspective is actually before going to this quiz, okay, assessment. So you have to read all these things, okay. So all these modules, excuse me. So I already read this, so that's why I know that. So business operations actually related, all business kind of operations related to this operations perspective. So then I'm going with this answer. Let's check. Yes, it is correct answer. That's good. So let us go with other question. So which tool provides capability to visualize, understand and manage AWS costs and usage over time? So this is the question. So the options are AWS Artifact, AWS Budgets, AWS Pricing Calculator, so AWS Cost Explorer. So actually cost, question actually, the answer is question, answer is actually in the question only. So it is related to AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Calculator is for calculating the your entire price related. So if you want to 2 tier, 3 tier, 4 tier, whatever, so if you want that, you need, by using AWS calculator, you can calculate how much price you will get after end of the month and all. So budget and quotation you can able to do with the AWS pricing calculator. So this is all that. Okay, so let's go with this option. Yeah, that's correct. So next question is, yeah, this one. Which pillar of the AWS well architected framework focus on using computing resources in ways that meet system requirements? Okay, this is actually question. The answers, I mean, options are operational excellence, reliability, performance efficiency, and security. Okay, so question, just read again. Which pillar of the AWS well architected framework focus on using computing resources in ways that meets system requirements? Okay, so actually I read this, I know this answer, the performance and efficiency. Performance efficiency, this one. Well architecture framework is for performance efficiency. Okay, this is security means security related. Reliability means long lasting. Operational excellence means this is business related. Operational related. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, so next. So which tasks are responsible responsibilities of AWS? We need to select both. Two. Any two. So which tasks are responsible for, of AWS? Training company employees on how to use AWS service, creating IAM users and groups, maintaining visualization infrastructure, configuring security group and Amazon EC2 instances, configuring AWS infrastructure and devices. Hmm, I think my uh, which tasks are responsible of AWS. So I'm going with it. Let's see. AWS infrastructure related. I thought so. Responsibility of AWS. I think so. These two are in infrastructure related. Actually, in infrastructure related, I already read this architecture framework. So that's why I remember this. I'm just guessing it. Let's see. Oh, that's great. Awesome. Anyways, that's fine. Thanks. Good to know that. So, which statement best describes Amazon guard duty? So, this is good question, guys. So, guard duty is for, so it is actually threat detection, AWS infrastructure related resource actually. So let's try to read this. A service that provides intelligent threat detection, AWS infrastructure resource. I feel this one is the answer. The question second one is a service that helps protects applications against distributed denial of service attacks. No. A service that monitors networks. This is not related to monitor. Monitor already you have a CloudWatch, right? Okay. But I thought Guard Duty actively monitors various AWS services like CloudTrail logs and VPC workflows, I think so. Anyways, a service that checks application for security vulnerables and deviations from security best practice. See, answers are very, very closer. Okay. So, but actually, this guard duty is for service. Guard duty service will provides for intelligent threat for detection actually threat related. So guard duty is for threat related protections. So to protect infrastructure resources, so it will detect threats. Okay, good. Next. So an application developer want to store data in a key value database. Which service should use key and value? Amazon Aurora and what is this? Application developer wants to store data key value database. Amazon Aurora, Amazon Document DB, Amazon RDS, Amazon Dynamo DB. This one. Okay. Amazon Dynamo DB. Okay. That's good. Next, which service consolidates and manages multiple AWS accounts from central location? Good question, right? So AWS key management services. This is actually key related. Okay, and identity access management IAM for users and roles all for that purpose. AWS artifacts. This is related different. Okay, AWS organization. So this is actually elimination method. So which service consolidate manage multiple AWS accounts from central location? So this is elimination method. These three are not. So final one is correct, I feel. Okay, that's fine. The next question is 15th question. So which actions can a person perform Amazon Route 53? This is very simple question. See, Amazon Route 53. What is the purpose of it? This is for domain, right? To connect user request and infrastructure related. DNS related, right? So DNS options we need to find. Automated deployments of workloads into AWS environment. Connect users request infrastructure AWS and outside is closer answer. Access AWS security and Compliance report select not related. Monitor applications response system wide performance change not related. And other one is manage DNS records. This is matching. Guys, I feel this is related because connect to user infrastructure AWS outside using DNS, domain naming services. Okay, domain naming system in AWS class we have discussed all these things. So and DNS, domain naming service, records for domain names. So here they asked two, we need to select two. So these two are matching for this question, so I might go for with this. So luckily it's really good analysis and it's good answer. Okay, next question is, which tool provides automation actions for AWS services and applications through scripts? Good question, right? This is really good question. Scripts where we, so Amazon, so our options, let's see the options first. AWS QLDB, no, DB means this is related to database. Okay, query language database. So Amazon Redshift, not this related. AWS command line interface, yes, I thought. AWS Snowball, this is for migration purpose. Okay, but I have little doubt about these two, but I need to do again eliminate these. First answer is wrong, second last one is wrong. Okay, you know that already. So second one is Amazon Redshift, and third one is AWS command line interface. Here the, try to read the question again. Which tool provides automation action for AWS services and application through script? Using script, what we will use command line interface only, right? I'm sensing with this answer. Okay, that's why I'm going with it. That's fine. Okay, next question is which Amazon EC2 pricing option reduces cost when business makes an hourly spend commitment to an instance family to region for a 1 year or 3 year term? One second. Actually, for free services, 1 year. 1 year freely we can use, right? Okay. So this EC2 instance saving plans, spot instances, dedicated host, not dedicated host. 3 year time in the sense, I think we need to reserve for 3 years kind of contract. So 3 years term. So which means reserved. I think this one I'm going with it. Just I'm just analyzing myself. I'm trying to go with it. Let's see. Yep, that's good. I'm happy with it. And which action can a person perform in Amazon cloud front? Challenging question for me. Okay, I think okay, let me check one by one. Provision resources by using programming languages or a text file. Okay, provision and isolated section of the AWS cloud to launch resources in a virtual network that a person defines. Deliver content to custom consumers through a global network of edge locations. Yeah, edge locations, right? CloudFront edge locations related. Yeah, I strike with this edge location. Okay, and run infrastructure hybrid cloud approach, not this. This is the answer. Okay, so deliver content customers through a global network using edge locations. Okay, so I explained about this in our AWS classes. So using edge locations, I said, right, some US region will be there, their actual data center will be there after that. So we do have nearby edge locations like Singapore. So all those things, if this will be connected very fast internet. So if you connect with the Singapore, then it is easy to we can avoid lot of delay. Okay, so a lot of, so we can avoid a lot of delay, so then performance will be fast. So we discussed, right? I thought this one is the answer. Okay, yes, correct. That's fine. Next one is which is virtual private cloud VPC component control inbound and outbound traffic for Amazon EC2 instance. This is very easy, guys. Very easy, deadly easy question. This is. So inbound and outbound related actually, for example, if something happens and the traffic is not working, so you're getting error. First of all, you'll go and check inbound and outbound rule, right? Where we will check in this security groups, right? Simple. Yes, that is the answer only. This is very deadly question. Easy, dead easy question. This is all right. That's fine. Next one is which service is used to transfer up to 100 PT data to AWS? Just recently, I just gone through this question actually. Okay, so here I got a question. So I just remember this actually. So migration in the migration, where is start is introduction migration related. Okay, migration strategies. I have read this, so I know this answer. Mobile snowmobile, yes, AWS snowmobile using this. So up to 100 pt of data we can able to migrate, so transfer from one place to other place. Means so one application, one cloud to other cloud, like that. So we can able to transfer the data, so data migrate, so using AWS snowmobile. So this is a highly and last one actually. I also made this actually. I prepared one PPT. You can see, you see this snowball snowmobile, yeah. You see, you can transfer up to 100 petatypes. So that's why I remember. Okay, anyways, that's fine. Yes, that was already expected, no problem. Okay, next question is which statement best describes an availability zone? Okay, so it is not related to region. So it is related to availability zones. In a region, we have availability zones. Okay. Okay. So, so here there the server from which Amazon CloudFront gets file not related. A separate geographical location which multiple locations are isolated from each other, which means region. Okay. So answer is not this. Two are eliminated. Next one is um, fully isolated portion of AWS global infrastructure. Fully isolated portion of the AWS global infrastructure. Next one is a site that Amazon CloudFront uses cache copies of content faster delivery users. No, it is near. I think this is near. I think so. Separate geographical location, multiple locations that are isolated. I think this is the answer, guys. So these are all not matching. I'm sensing it. Let's check. Oh God, this is my first incorrect answer. Okay, what is the correct answer? A fully isolated portion, AWS global infrastructure. The correct response is a fully isolated portion of the AWS global infrastructure. Okay. Availability zone is a single data center or a group of data centers which in a region. So that's why I have gone through this region related. Okay. Okay, fine. Availability zones are located tens of miles apart from each other. This helps them to provide in interconnectivity to support the services and applications that run within a region. Okay, that's fine. Okay, why? The other response because incorrect because of this. A separate geographical location which multiple locations that are isolated from each other. This response options describes region. Okay, that's why I thought this one region. Okay, but he asked about little confused. Okay, that's fine. I know answer, but it little confused. The server from which Amazon CloudFront gets files. This response option describes an origin. Okay, a site that Amazon CloudFront uses cache copies of content of faster delivery uses any location. This response option describes edge location. Yes, correct. Okay, fine. At least so we got right. We got clear cut idea about this incorrect answer. That's why. All right, let's try with it again. So yeah. So which AWS trusted advisor category included checks for high utilization EC2 instances? Question you need to understand again. Which AWS trusted advisor category includes check for high utilization EC2 instances? Okay, which advisor? It will check for high utilization. Your instance has been utilized very much high, so that's why you are almost reached. So or something like that. So what kind of services will provides? Okay, so your performance related issue, right? So high utilization and EC2 instances. Okay, which AWS trusted advisor category included checks for high utilization EC2 instance? Security not, fault tolerance not, cost optimization not related, simple performance. Okay, okay, fine. The next one is which support plans include access to all AWS trusted advisor checks? Trust related, huh? Okay, okay, developer, enterprise, basic, business, free tier. We need to select two, right? So I think trusted advisor means, yeah, for example, if you take a free tier service, it is not trusted, correct? 100% not basic. Okay, let's go with the business. Business is actually trusted and secure. You have a lot of secure. And also this enterprise also will be secure. Developer is also not, basic also not, free tier also not. This free tier, basic and developer are related. That's why I'm going with these two options. Let's go. Fine, as expected. All right, next one is 24th one. We reached up to 24th. So a cloud engineer is running EC2 instance and want to store data in an attached resource. Okay, their data is temporary and will not be kept long term. So which resource should they use? So we need to store the data, right? Subnet not related. This is related to storage data in attached resource. They temporary, excuse me, the temporary and will not be long, so we just need to store something. Okay, let's try subnet not, instant store I think so, imagine EC S3 bucket, elastic store, EBS not. I think this is only for related S3. S3 is actually that is for store in the form of objects. Okay, but elastic block store it is related to volume. So we did not get any terms, right? So a cloud engineer running Amazon EC2 instance, Amazon it is EC2 instance and want to store the data in a attached resource. So I thought this is matching store and store. Let's try. Okay, so analysis, my analysis is correct. Next 25th question is a cloud engineer want to store data in a volume. That is, I think this question is little similar, I think so. Okay, anyways, a cloud engineer want to store data in a volume that is attached to EC2 instance. Which service you should use? Okay, so attaching and detaching. This is related to volumes. Okay, so not lambda. Lambda is actually serverless related. Imagine block storage EBS. This will be my answer. I think so. I'm just keeping it like this. And S3 simple storage services. That is for storing the data in the form of objects, videos, files, data, different PDF files, etc. etc. Imagine elastic cache. Elastic cache is for, so that will give whatever the store related. So it will be catchy. So your what it will give immediate response. So that is related. I think. Yes, elastic block storage (EBS). I think so. Hmm. Elastic block storage. Okay, let me go with this. Yes, correct. Expected. Okay, fine. Next one is 26th one. Which a statement true? AWS Lambda. I already told you AWS Lambda is for serverless related, right? Serverless. This is for compute. So computing purpose. Before using AWS Lambda, business must prepay for their estimated compute time. To use AWS Lambda, business must configure the services servers that run their code. Business pay only compute time while their code is running. Yes, correct. So until their code running only, you need to pay. Okay, this is for serverless. Okay, AWS Lambda is for serverless. While you are running your code only, you will pay. Remaining time you should not pay. So I feel this is answer only. I know. The first step, the other one is the first step using AWS Lambda is providing no. So no, actually AWS Lambda means for this is for serverless connection. Serverless. So but here is actually providing servers means no meaning of this option. Okay. Anyways, this is the answer only. Okay. So next one is 27th one. A cloud architect want to wants Amazon S3 to monitor object access patterns. Which storage class should they use? This is answer. I think storage classes I need to remember once. A cloud architect want Amazon S3 to monitor object access patterns. Which storage class should they use? Intelligent tiring, I think so. Standard IA S3, Amazon's S3 one, Stone I3. I think intelligent pairing. I think I'm just guessing it. Amazon S3 Glacier, not Glacier. I think so. So why I'm going with it? So actually, a cloud architect should use this because if they want Amazon S3 to monitor object access patterns, at this storage class is specially designed to automatically move objects between different access tiers based on how frequently they are accessed actually. So that's okay. I'm just going with it. Long back I just I taught this actually for students. So in this access related Amazon I storage, yeah. Okay, storage types, EVM volume. Okay. Where is S3, 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 S3? Storage services, storage types. Okay, first VPC flow, logs, and DNS names, policies, routing policies, types of. I missed that cloud. DNS route 53. Hmm. Yes, I've searched for this. See, data with changing access patterns, milliseconds access. Okay. So the standard is active frequency standard access data. So millisecond access. So greater than three available zones. Okay. Okay. Data with changing access pattern, milliseconds access. So 0 point, this is actually monitoring per fee per object. Next to minimum storage duration. Okay, standard I think frequent access data, milli storage access, something. Okay. Anyways, I'm just going with it actually. Let's see. Yeah, I'm lucky. It's my luck. Okay, fine. Next. Next question number is 28. So, which migration strategy involves changing how an application is architected and developed typically by using cloud native features? I just have gone through this actually very, so here cloud native related. So, and I'm going with refactoring. So I know this answer, that's why. Rehosting, replatforming, refactoring, repurchasing. So repurchasing means it is related to, so you need to completely for purchase other one. Actually example given salesforce.com. I will show you after the exam. Okay. Refactoring. So which means, so it will changing application developed typically by cloud native, using cloud native features. Replatforming, so you need to platform it again. Rehosting, change the application, just you need to lift the application like that. Just recently only this, before that only I just read this. Anyways, no problem at all. Next question is, question number is 29. So which statement best describes elastic load balancing? So this question everybody can able to guess this. Okay. Elastic load balancing is, it is actually service designed to distribute the incoming traffic across multiple targets. Okay. So which means elastic load balancing is for distribute the traffic, right? So we need to choose the answer here. So find out, we need to find out the answer from out of these four. Service that provides data monitoring application not related. A service that monitor applications automatically adds removes capano. The service distributes incoming traffic. I think this is the one only, because it is related to incoming traffic across multiple targets such as EC2 instances. In between EC2 instances, this load will be distributed, right? This is the answer actually. The service that provides capability to create, manage, and scale distributed memory or cache. No, it's not. So this is the answer only. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know this. Okay. The final one. The final one is, which statement best describe AWS marketplace? Okay, okay. Need to check this one. Maybe digital catalog. Mm, 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 mm. Digital catalog that includes thousands and software listening from dependent software vendors. Okay, resource that provides guided architecture review and ongoing communication with the companies. Okay, resources that can answer questions and best practice assist with the troubleshooting issues. No, 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 no. This is the answer only. Digital catalog include thousands of software listening from independent software vendors. Yeah, this one is answer. Okay, fine. Next question result, quiz result 93% I got. Okay, great. This would be really good achievement. So guys, I recommending you guys, please go to AWS Practitioner Essentials. So you will get more practice if you read and solve the questions. So once after reading the course, you will have a quiz. So next after introduction, you will have a quiz. After that, so for every topic under, you have a quiz. See, every topic under module introduction related. Okay, so all these AWS responsibility models. Okay, Amazon CloudWatch, AWS free tier related, migration and innovation. Okay, so every under every topic we have a quizzes, so we can able to solve and we can able to increase our capability, exam answering capability, so reading capability, understanding capability, all these things will be very much useful while you are writing exam. Okay, so this is actually the way you need to practice for AWS practitioner essential. So you need to use this skill builder. So this is actually site skillbuilder.aws. So this, you just go through it and try to give an exam. Okay, that's it. Next, after finishing it, just contact them for the exam. Okay, that's it. Finished. I have done everything. Okay, so guys, those who are AWS DevOps engineers are there, please try to visit this AWS Cloud Practitioner Essential Skill Builder. This is a really, skill builder is really good one. So to read and write the exam, so you'll get more practice on this. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much. I also made a PPT, so I have done some, and I need to do more. Okay, this one related to Amazon developer, Q developer, but I didn't get any question from here. Anyways, that's okay. So that I'm trying to make a PPT for this, and I'm just going forward. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. So this will be more helpful in future. So when you are going to appear for exam, so at that time it will be useful. These questions are really very useful. So thanks for watching watching my channel, my video, and kindly just hit like button. That's it. I'm not asking anything to you. I'm just asking a small like. That's it. I don't want anything. I don't want to you to share. I don't want you to subscribe and all. Just like it. It will appear many people. That will give more boosting for me to do these kind of videos. That's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye bye.